Wow.
Why
they're
would you
beautiful.
do
They're
that?
gonna work so good. This actually might catch fire. Welcome back to Destroy It. And as you know from the title of this video, I'm going to be destroying a set of brand new Apple AirPods. There they are, brand new set of AirPods. I mentioned the other day to my daughter, Danielle, that I didn't like them, that I absolutely hate them. And she said, good, then I can have them. And I said, no, because I'm going to destroy them. You get to see what her reaction is to me throwing my brand new Apple AirPods into this destroying unit right here. Now we turn it on and the red light comes on. Red light's on, and let's see what happens here. There are two baskets here, single baskets, so you can sit here and do your thing. Ooh, it smells smoky already. I chose to get some peanut oil. My wife said no peanut oil in the house. She likes canola oil or something, but I'm like, no, we're getting peanut oil because, I don't know, peanuts? I like peanuts. Here we go. Pour it right on top here. And it looks like we have a minimum line and a maximum line there. You know me, we're gonna go a little above the maximum line. Actually, it looks like this jug is gonna go just below the maximum line. It's like love, great value peanut oil and Fry Daddy. They meet and become one. We need to try this out. We need to make sure that this Fry Daddy works like it's supposed to. So we're gonna turn it on here. We're gonna crank up the heat all the way up to 400 degrees. As it's heating up, I wanted to make sure that I knew exactly what the temperature was. I don't know, just because I want to, okay? I guess it doesn't matter if we're just destroying stuff, but I do have a curious mind. Currently it's 178, 180. The temperature that I want to get it to is at least 375, if not 400 degrees. We are now over 350 degrees, and I'm now going to take this gauge out because we're getting close to the 375 and 400 that I'm going for. We have to test this out first on what it was originally made for, which is frying food. So I have a fry and a tater tot. Set that in the basket right there. And let's listen to those bad boys sizzle. Oh yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. Since we have another basket, I figured I might as well cook us a nice little piece of chicken wing. Oh yes. So apparently the indicator that the fry is done is that it floats to the top. Oh, that is hot. That is hot. Oh, it's time to check it. Oh, beautiful. I love fries. Look at that. Golden brown. I believe our deep fryer is ready for the best part. I have another chair here. I'm going to invite someone in. We're gonna make a quick phone call here. Call Danielle Tannerites.
Hello?
Danielle.
Yeah.
I need you out in the garage ASAP. I need to show you something incredible.
Okay.
Hurry, it's so cool.
Okay.
Faster.
I'm coming.
Hurry.
It smells. What is going on?
Check this out. I just used this Fry Daddy to cook this fry
That's a tater tot.
and this tater tot and that chicken. Do you want to try the chicken?
Kind of. What else did you put on there?
What you really are out here for though is, careful though. I want you to put these on because
Okay.
I don't want you getting burned in your eyeballs.
Ah, that would not be.
This is incredible. We're gonna take a tater tot and a fry. This is incredible. It's gonna blow your mind. Put a fry in there. Put a tater tot in there. Okay? What you don't know is this trick that I learned. You can actually hear those louder through these iPods. Did you know that? Yeah, you put them in your ear and you can hear them louder than what you hear there. It's like a really crazy sizzling sound.
Are you gonna fry the AirPods?
No? She caught me destroying her AirPods. What's happening to them already? It already, oh my goodness, it is melting big time. They're melting so fast.
Are you kidding me?
Keep your glasses on because there are batteries in there, yo.
Are you
Lithium ion
kidding
batteries
me?
in there.
Are you serious? is wrong with you?
I told you I didn't want these iPods.
What is wrong?
I told you they're junk.
But I did.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wait until they
What is
stop
wrong with you?
boiling.
Are you gonna buy me new AirPods?
These were my AirPods.
I know, but you said I could have them. So are you
Well, I
gonna buy
know.
me
I
new AirPods?
told you I didn't
No,
like them,
but
and you could
no,
borrow
No,
them.
you said at risk.
Fine, here.
What is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with it. They're good.
There is everything wrong. You just oh.
I bet they still work. What do you think?
They do not.
Oh,
Why
they're
would
beautiful.
you do
They're
that?
gonna work so good.
Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you?
I told you I hated them. They don't work in my ears. Maybe they'll work in my ears
But
better
they work
now.
in my ears. That is a waste of money.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
You just threw away. You just fried money.
No.
Yes, you did.
Look.
Look
Let's
at
take
that.
them out. They're not bubbling anymore. Oh wow, look at this. This is
Oh my gosh. What did you do?
that's the left one. Oh wait, here's the earpiece, Danielle. Hold on. Here's the earpiece. There's the earpiece. Okay. Oh wait, we need the speaker. There's the speaker, Danielle. Look at that speaker. It looks like an eyeball. Oh wow,
I
look at
wanted
that.
those.
What do you think that is? That's
What
the
is-
hinge. The hinge completely melted.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
hot oil.
Ah, it splashed my phone.
How about we put your phone in there?
No, don't touch my phone.
It would be cool. You could have a custom-made phone.
No, this is custom-made AirPods for
No,
you.
you can have a custom-made phone
Look,
for
look.
you.
Look how cool, Danielle.
Why did you do that?
Look how cool.
What is wrong with you?
There's the motherboard.
That's not cool. It would have been cool if you go on YouTube and watched a video of how these made. That's cool.
We don't want to know how it's made. We want to see what it does when it goes into a fry daddy.
Well-
Look at that. There's the screws. The screws completely came out, and there is the motherboard. I bet we can put it back together. What do you think that piece is right there?
Probably something
It's
expensive.
like a resistor of some sort. It says R on it, so that means it's the right one. There's the battery pack. Look
Why
at
did you do that?
that. So cool.
What is your?
Okay, here we go. Here's the right one.
Why did you?
Here's the right one. So cool. Here's
Are you
the
buying me new
speaker.
AirPods? Is this you telling me you're buying
There's a
new
speaker.
AirPods?
This is the charger, Danielle. We're gonna put it over top of the chicken right here. There's the charger. What is that?
I don't know.
It's a tiny little, it's tiny. Look at this. It's a computer chip. This is a computer chip. Look at that. Look how small that is. I bet there's gold in the bottom of it.
There's not gold in
I
the
bet
bottom
there's
of the
gold in
AirPods.
While we're waiting for that to cool, I saw some solo cups over there. I'm like, I gotta try and see what happens. I know what happens when you put this into a fire, but I wanna see what happens when we put it into this hot grease. Nothing. Oh, it's melting. Melting. Look at that! It's a mini cup!
In the...
It's a mini cup! You wanna make your solo cups mini? Just put them in a deep fryer. Let's go a little bit more short. Yep, I like that. That's good. Look at that. Let's go a little bit more short. Yes, look at that.
That smells gross.
Let's just
Maybe
drop it
it's
in there
just
now.
Still the AirPods.
What if we went upside down? Let's go upside down. Here we go. Ready? Just let it do its thing. Oh. It's like the Titanic. It's sinking. It's sinking. Where are you going? Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. We could pour water in here and then pour it out like a spout. Look at that.
Look at that!
There's nothing wrong with those.
But
So I have a confession to tell you to make.
what did you do? What did you do? Something else too?
I bought these from a guy today. These are Chinese knockoffs of the Apple iPod.
You're kidding.
No, you can have these ones. We can share them. These ones.
I'm not.
These are Chinese knockoffs. See, look, they're the same thing. They have the charger, they have the earpod things, and they're called the TWS i11 5.0 Chinese knockoff, yo. I got these for $5.
Then why didn't you destroy the $5 ones?
Good question, I don't know. But if you don't like these, I'll take them.
No, it's,
Of course I destroyed the $5 one.
good! Oh my gosh.
Danielle actually she thought pretty quickly. She was like, what, you're gonna throw them in there? She caught on pretty quickly what I was up to. Of course, she knew I was lying about hearing the sound. Since we have this thing at 400 degrees, I wanted to test a few things out. Liquid nail, I wanted to see what liquid nail will do in this grease, and I also wanted to see what this little lure will do in the grease. Let's start off with the fishing lure. Into the grease. It's like glowing green. So far it's not doing much. It's like staying the same. Oh wow. There it goes, it's breaking down now. Uh-oh, it's coming apart. Yeah, the tail is completely gone. Now let's try some of this liquid nail. This stuff is so strong. Here we go. Oh. Let's do one more here. Oh, it's popping. It's popping. It's popping big time. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. We got a problem. I gotta take it out. That's not good. Oh boy. Wow. That is crazy. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This actually might catch fire. Oh, the whole entire inside is ruined. All of that oil is ruined. There's nothing left. Like, I don't even know what is left of that. It's definitely not glue anymore. I am going to take my cell phone and put it in this hot grease, but not until the next video. So stick around, guys. Come back to destroy it. If you want to see an Apple iPhone actually go into this grease and see what happens, you are worth it.
it.
Destroy it.